So we're at the Melbourne exhibition for Harry Potter. It is absolutely amazing. They've done such a good job with the set. Cannot wait to take you through it. So here's the vibe. This isn't just poster photos or random displays. It's a deep dive into the world of Harry Potter with authentic film props, costumes, interactive moments, and storytelling experiences from the movies and extended universe. So you get to see real items used in filming like costumes, sets, and more. It's designed to be extremely immersive. And yes, it's running till early 2026, so you still have time. If you grew up with Harry Potter even a little bit, this feels like you're unlocking a childhood memory. I'm going to show you what it's really like inside, what's worth getting excited about, and whether it's actually worth your time and money. So, it's set up really nicely. Even if you're not someone who remembers every spell or character, you'll still feel pulled to various rooms and setups of the space. And we also noticed straight away that there were people, of all ages, so kids, adults, couples, full-on Harry Potter fans. So it's not just, a one type of crowd experience. So the best part is just how interactive this exhibition is. You don't just walk through and read things, you actually participate. So you get to choose your Hogwarts house, your wand, and there are, interactive stations where you can cast spells, try activities, and earn points as you go. So it makes the whole thing feel less like a museum and more like a journey, especially if you're coming with friends or family. So who is this exhibition actually for? If you're a massive Harry Potter fan, you'll obviously love this, but honestly, even if you're more of a casual fan, it's actually still really enjoyable. It's also great if you're looking for something different to do in Melbourne, especially if you've already done the usual museums and galleries. Some quick tips if you're planning to visit: make sure to book your tickets in advance, it does get busy. Go earlier in the day if you want better photos. Charge your phone, you'll definitely take more photos than you expect. And honestly, don't rush it. Take your time with each section because it's so amazing. Through the exhibition, you'll walk through several themed rooms, each designed to reflect scenes or vibes from the Harry Potter world. Now, some rooms are more visual, whereas some are interactive, but each one gives you a different feel of the world, and it's just so much fun. It's done well, thoughtfully designed, and genuinely fun, not just for fans, but for anyone who really enjoys immersive experiences. For someone who wasn't always a Harry Potter fan, this is amazing. It's made me want to go back and watch all the movies and read all the books. They have done such a phenomenal job. You have to check it out.